students, let us continue with the new theorem of this exercise, theorem 6.7. The theorem says that the ratio of area of two similar triangles. So the two triangles which are similar, when we do the ratio of their area, so that is equals to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. So here I have taken the two triangles ABC and PQR, where ABC is given similar to PQR. So there are two similar triangles. So we need to prove that the area of this triangle ABC to the area of triangle PQR, that means the ratio of this two area of this two triangle which are similar, is equals to the square of their corresponding sides. We know that the corresponding sides AB is PQ, BC is QR and AC is PR. So this is what we require to prove in this theorem. Again, it is an important theorem after the basic proportionality theorem. So as we require to show the ratio of the two triangle, so for the area we required, let us construct a perpendicular from A to BC. Let us give that name AM and PN. So let's construct AM perpendicular to BC and PN perpendicular to QR. Now we require the ratio of that area. We know that area of triangle is half into corresponding base into height. So for ABC, half base is BC and the height, that is AM. Like the same area of PQR. So that is half the corresponding base, that is QR, and the altitude is PN. We require the ratio of this two area of this triangle. So we'll do the ratio of this two. So ratio of, that means when I'll divide this area with this one, so obviously this half will cut, so we'll get BC into AM upon QR into PN. Let us give this as an equation 1 which we'll use later on. Now what next we are going to do, as this ratio equals to, we required one of them, हमें कोई भी एक चाहिए, the rest can be automatically obtained by using the similarity. Okay, now to prove this, let me first show the correspondence between triangle ABM and PQN. For correspondence between triangle ABM and triangle PQN, so that is quite easy to show the correspondence. How? So we know that A and B is same as P and Q because they both are right angles. One more angle is same, that is angle ABM is same as PQN. Now why these two angles have written same? Look at this, what they have given in the data. The two triangles are similar, so corresponding angles are also similar. So we can write from data, or we can say from similarity of triangles. Now the angle criteria exists here. So we can say that triangle ABM is similar. M corresponds to N, so M is last, so N must be last. B corresponds to Q, B second, Q second. So obviously A corresponds to P. So this is we obtain by using angle criteria. Now when these two triangles are similar, we know that corresponding sides are also in this same ratio. So AB upon PQ is AM upon PN. One more is there, but as we are not going to use this, BM upon QN. I'll give this as an equation number 2. Now let's come to the data here. Here in the data they have given these two triangles are similar. So from data, as the triangle ABC is similar to PQR, so we can also say the corresponding sides are in same ratio. AB upon PQ is BC upon QR is AC upon PR. I will give this as an equation number 3. Now let's look at this equation 2 and 3. That you can see that AB and PQ, which is common in both of them. So what I'll do, I'll compare this 2 and this 2. So from why I'm doing this, that I'll explain. From equation 2 and 3, which is common, that is AB upon PQ, now is same as AM upon PN, and this also equals to BC upon QR. Now look at this, why I have done this. Now let's come to the first equation. So in the first equation you can see that BC upon QR can also be written AB upon PQ. BC upon QR can also be written AB upon PQ. The same way AM upon PN can also be written AB upon PQ. So I hope you understand why I compared these three. Because in the first equation for this, we required one of this. So if I compare this, both equals to AB upon PQ, मैं दोनों को AB upon PQ लिखूंगा, so I'll get the first correspondence. Okay. Now from equation 1 and equation 4, from equation 1 and 4, we can say that area of ABC upon area of PQR is equals to AB into AB, because this can be written AB upon PQ and this can be written AB upon PQ. So hence we obtain AB upon PQ the whole square. Now we know that this all are corresponding sides. So when I do the square of this, it must be equals to the square. Okay, not this one, this one. I'm sorry. Now if AB upon PQ is same as BC upon QR, so the square of this obviously equals to the square of this. Now from similarity, you can also write from equation 3, we can say that the area of ABC upon area of PQR, that is the ratio of this two similar triangle, is equals to the square of their corresponding sides. Hence, we can say the theorem is proved. So it is quite interesting and it also used to do the sums.